Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about the website Elanini Clothes Reviews. So friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So friends, this is from United States. So let's see what this website is offering to the customers. Here you can see there are so many products like best-selling products, tops, bottoms, dresses, outwear, accessories and shoes. You can see there are so many products like casual long sleeve, round neck plus size tops, sweat lace bottoming vest. So many products along with their reasonable price. You can check those products by visiting their official website. So let's go to the payment option. So payment they receive by PayPal, which is a quick and secure payment. And let's go to the shipping policy. So they usually do shipping within 3 to 5 business days. And for international shipping, they take 7 to 30 business days. And you will receive the products within 10 to 35 business days. So let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. Friends, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel as it will boost our spirit to bring many more informative and exciting news for you. So now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website is a legit or a scam. So guys, this website is protected by HTTPS, that means the payment gateway is safe and secure. It is registered on 16th December 2020 and expires on 16th December 2021. That means it is very recently registered website and for a shorter period of time. So let's go to the About Us page. Here you get very few information about this website as you don't get any information about the identity and owner of this website. That is one negative point regarding this. Let's go to the contact address. Here there is no physical address and phone number mentioned to contact and there is only email ID service@elanin.com. So that is also one negative point about this website. So let's go to the social media presence. It is available on Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest, but I don't see much visitors to this website as it is not famous website. So let's go to the return and refund policy. So they accept return within 15 days from the delivered date, and if you return the products on time, they will do full refund. So let's go to the customer reviews. Guys, customer review page is not updated in the website as I don't see any reviews about the product and about the website. If you Google it also, I don't see any reviews. This website is not rated at and it has a low trust score. So guys, there is no reviews about the products and the website in the Google. So the content detailing is quite fine. There is no spelling errors. The products are not well specified. I can see the duplicate images. So guys, based on the above discussion, I can say this website is a suspicious website because there are few negative points about this website. And I also advise you to check all the points from this website before buying any products or before buying any selection of the products. So do double check. So friends, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thoughts about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.